Howdy champs, my name is Mohit, and guys, today I'm going to show you the use of meta data in Dreamweaver. Not only that guys, this tutorial is all about tricks that we employ while doing the SEO tips and tricks. This is all about that. Guys, let me show you a slideshow. This is PowerPoint. Let me hit F5 to initiate a slideshow. Okay, so you see, whenever you're working on your HTML CSS document, on your website, on your web page, the title tag is which is sandwiched or embedded between the head tags is extremely important. In terms of length, the optimal character length including spaces is 68, and the search engines give a lot of importance to the title tag. Let me move on to the next slide. All the heading tags H1 through H6 guys are extremely important, the most important being H1 and the least being H6, although all of them are quite important. Okay, now guys, this may come as a surprise to many people watching this tutorial, but the bold or the strong tag, okay, in HTML also is important as far as SEO is concerned. Okay, so be sure that you make those words or phrases bold. Okay, especially use the strong. The bold is kind of the bold tag is not used as much these days, it's obsolete, but the strong is something that you should be using with your important keywords, so pay a little attention there as well. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. Whenever you're using images guys, you know that Bing, Yahoo, Google don't actually make any sense with the pictures. They can't see them. The spider, the robos cannot actually see them, but you should be using the alt tag, and when you're using the alt tag, make sure that the word they're using is actually an important keyword. So that's another important thing to understand. Let's move on. Okay, now while you're using hyperlinks guys, the A tag or the anchor tag, that's extremely important too. So you can use the title attribute and use an important keyword out there, and you can use important keywords where you can see anchor text keyword. So basically all the search engines pay a lot of attention to these different tags. Okay, but is that all? Not really. In fact, let me show you what else is actually very important. We'll talk about the meta tags now. So let me say a file under new. Let's choose the doc type to be HTML5 guys. I'm choosing the layout to be none. Okay, the doc type HTML5, which is the latest HTML version. Okay, let me say create. Now guys, you see meta char set out here, character set out here. Okay, but there are two more very popular metas which are used for search engine optimization a lot. Before that, let me tell you, the title tag, as we had just talked about, is extremely important. So make sure that you can use roughly about 70 characters out here, and search engines love them. Okay, right, so let's see what are the other metas that they love. Let me go with meta name is equal to description. Okay, and then content. And now out here guys, you can have one or two sentences. As far as the description is concerned, ideally around 150 characters is good enough. Okay, so use about 150 character description out here, about a couple of sentences out here. Alright, so that's one more meta that they love. What else? There's one more meta tag that we use while working with while improving the search engine optimization, what we can do is we can use the keywords meta. Let's say content, and then use about 900 characters odd, separated by commas. Okay, I've actually used a phrase out here or a sentence out here. You shouldn't be doing that. You should be using you know, single words or maybe 2 or 3 words, not more than that, and you should separate them using the commas. Alright, so that's it. And guys, whatever is inside the head of your section, that's the opening head tag, this is the closing head tag, does not actually show up in the design area or the web page, but then again it's extremely important for the SEO, the search engine optimization. Alright, and there's one more important meta that's got nothing to do with the search engine optimization. Okay, but I thought I'll let you know. Guys, notice I'm using Dreamweaver. I'm in the classic view. Okay, and in the classic view, guys, what I can do is I can use a meta which is refresh. Okay, now if I say after 5 seconds refresh to, let's say, my website, http://qualitylessons.net. okay, and if I say okay, you can see out here that yet another meta got inserted. Let me just take it above the title tag. That's where it should actually be. Right, so that's another meta for you. Okay, now what exactly does this meta do? This meta makes sure that after 5 seconds the page will be refreshed to this new URL. Let's see whether I'm actually talking the truth. Let's test it out. Why not? Let me say this page will refresh to http://qualitylessons.net. okay, let me highlight the thing up. Let me say I want it to be a H1. okay, let's test it out in Google Chrome after saving the changes. Meta tags. So guys, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, and that's a 5. It should refresh any moment now, which it is doing. So you can see that it's actually refreshed to a new web page, right? So now I hope you can understand the importance of the title. You can understand the importance of meta tags, especially the keywords meta and the name meta. Alright, sorry, the keywords and the description meta. Yes, before I actually terminate this tutorial, I have one more meta that I would want to talk about. That's meta, and you can say name is equal to author. Name is equal to okay, never mind, it's not listed here, but that's name is equal to author. Okay, and content is equal to Mohit Manuja. That's my name, and let's close the meta up. Okay, so that's the author meta. That just lets you know that the web developer is so and so. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, learned something from it, and I hope to see you very soon with yet another Dreamweaver tutorial. Could be Flash with ActionScript 3. You have a good day guys. Bye bye. Peace.